If you want to be able to fix unable to log into your Roblox account if you have a PS4 or PS5, then this video is going to be perfect for you. So the first thing we need to do is to just go into settings here on our PS4 or PS5 and then click on users and accounts here, as you can see. Scroll down, click on other and click on restore licenses. Then choose Roblox and click on restore in the bottom right corner here, as you can see. And then just simply wait for it to completely finish this process right here. Now when this process is done, go back. And then you're going to now check if there is any new updates for Roblox, and you do so by going into Roblox here, as you can see, and then clicking on this button right here. Then click on check for update here, as you can see, and if you don't have any updates, it's perfect. You can see I don't have any updates here whatsoever. If this for some reason is still not working for you, what you can do after that is to just go into system settings here, click on system software, and then system software update and settings. Make sure this one is up to date. If it's not, click on it and then click on update using internet right here, as you can see, and hopefully you will be able to fix it afterwards.